Dear fellow participants, first of all, I would like to thank Magda and the organizers
Thanks to
for
you
giving me
and
the
very
opportunity,
welcome.
for giving me the opportunity to present our hemp cooperative vision in the World Hemp Congress. Only about a year ago, that would seem like a dream to us, so we're very happy to be represented. My name is MICHALIS THEODOROPOULOS. I'm an environmental manager by profession. I'll speak today as a representative of Kannabio Hemp-Cooperative, but at the same time, I'm also representing Iliospori Network, which are the main campaigners on hemp and cannabis legalization in Greece since 2005. I will present to you our vision as Kannabio for cooperative hemp development in Greece. Next slide, please.
Not long
Okay.
ago. Yes,
Nice.
we have solved it.
Not long ago, not long ago, the pictures that you see were considered as a crime scene. Yes, in some countries, unfortunately, they still do. Nevertheless, nowadays in my own country, Greece, like in many other European countries, these pictures represent our hope for a sustainable future. Next slide, please. On April 2016, the production of industrial hemp was legalized by the Greek state after 60 long years of prohibition, introducing new opportunities and markets to our country that, as you know, is trying to get back on its feet. It's been a long-known fact that Greece's agriculture and farming sectors have significant growth potential, especially for organic production and niche products and markets. With the right climate, soil, and geographical profile, hemp cultivation can flourish in Greece. As a result of the recent legislation, Kannabio, the first organic hemp social cooperative in Greece, was established. Just after a few days, the ministerial decision was signed. Kannabio Hemp Social Cooperative has as a mission to promote Greek hemp as a quality product of origin and assist the development of the Greek hemp industry. Our goal is to get involved in organic and cooperative hemp farming and processing to produce quality organic hemp products, to promote social and solidarity economy, and protect the environment. Moreover, Kannabio Hemp Cooperative will undertake participatory research on hemp cultivation and processing, will inform and raise awareness about the benefits of hemp for the economy and the environment, while providing expertise, international networking, and promotion opportunities to local partners. Kannabio will oversee the production of organic hemp oil extracts, foodstuff, and personal hygiene products, as well as the production of hempcrete for building material. Next slide, please. Two farmers, partners of Kannabio Hemp Cooperative, are among the first 5 farmers that received permission to cultivate hemp in Greece in 2016, in a total area of 0.85 hectares as a pilot cultivation. In Chania, Crete, our partner started harvesting already yesterday, less than 30 days from sowing, most probably because of the climate and the geographic position. And in Evia Island, we will harvest towards the end of September, as the seeds are not mature yet. In October, we plan to start our processing and product development, and we will organize a hempcrete workshop in Crete. Kannabio members are involved in hemp trade since 1998 and are at the forefront of the hemp legalization campaign in Greece since 2005. Both of our farmers have had hemp shops that were raided by police in 1998, and their products, clothes mainly, were confiscated, while they faced a very lengthy trial period for many years before they got acquitted, but they were never compensated. Next slide, please.
Kannabio Hemp Cooperative?
Yes.
Yeah, right.
Sorry?
Kannabio Hemp Cooperative? Are we in the right slide? Sorry?
Yes, or number 5 slide, yes. We're
Yes.
okay, we're okay.
Yes. Okay. Sorry for this.
Okay. Kannabio's vision for Greek organic hemp is to become an international standard of quality through cooperative cultivation and processing. We want to lay the foundations for the promotion and the sustainable use of the plant, and we want to actively contribute to the establishment of a healthy and cooperative hemp market in Greece by supporting sustainable agricultural practices. We want also to promote the cooperative principles and the philosophy of working together, of working collaboratively. We're not focused only on the commercial side of hemp, but our aim is to provide awareness, training, engagement, job creation, and social consciousness. Next slide, please, number 6. Currently, Kannabio Hemp-Cooperative is finalizing its business and investment plan in order to attract a €250,000 investment for establishing a small-scale cooperative production unit of hemp oils, hemp nutritional products, and personal hygiene products. Our production target for 2017 is to sign contracts with cooperative organic farmers for 25 hectares. In parallel, Kannabio Hemp-Coop has developed a more integrated vision for cooperative hemp cultivation and processing to support the setting up of the Greek hemp industry. This includes the creation of a mobile hemp caravan museum that will travel extensively all around Greece and will visit at least 15 cities where public events with guest speakers and guided exhibition tours will be realized for key stakeholders and the general public. We are in search of sponsorships for creating the Hemp Caravan Museum and realizing the awareness campaign. Any potential sponsor, please contact us if you are interested. This action will ensure filling of the knowledge gap that 60 years of hemp prohibition created and will contribute to capacity building and sensitization of farmers and other professionals on the market prospects of cooperative hemp cultivation and processing. This is necessary in order to pave the ground for the sustainable prosperity of the Greek hemp market. Moreover, our cooperative vision includes the setting up of a public limited company that will create and operate a large-scale hemp processing unit of a maximum output of 3 to 5 tons per hour, producing the 5 mine byproducts: fiber, seeds, flowers, seeds, and dust. The processing unit will also have a production line of hemp insulation and construction material. The total investment will be of about €4 million, and the initial capital of €1 million will be divided in 10,000 shares of €100 each. The first production target is 200 hectares, and the longer-term target is at 2,500 hectares. We strongly believe, and we have also proposed to the state authorities, that in Greece we have the capacity and the potential for the creation of 10 comparative processing units in 10 different regions that will be able to process at least 2,500 hectares each by utilizing mostly abandoned industrial facilities all over the country. Our longer-term vision is the cooperative Greek hemp industry is to cultivate and process 25,000 hectares of hemp in 10-15 years' time. Finally, our cooperative vision includes the establishment of a non-profit hemp R&D foundation that will develop Greek hemp breeds by utilizing past and ongoing research and will provide technical support for cultivation and processing. The foundation will also provide applied research and applications on cooperative schemes and best practices for production lines. Next slide, please. Finally, we strongly believe that hemp is a sustainable solution for the ecological and economic crisis we're facing. We need to safeguard the social and the communal characteristics of hemp and not only focus in its business potential in order to attain maximum positive results for the society, for the environment and the economy. Hemp revolution has just started and we are happy to be part of it. And the final slide, please. thank you all for your time, patience, and attention. If you would like to contact with us, please send us an email and we'll be in contact. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Michalis. You are amazing, amazing with this work. I must tell to you that we work a lot in this style in Slovenia because we have small producing here. So for us are social cooperatives, leading guides in agriculture, small agriculture, and this model is exactly model which World Hemp Congress support him too. So very best. I will ask audience if they have some questions here for you. I know I wish just hear about your team. How is with seeds? We have a news that you have exactly from Slovenian support seeds in your cooperative. Can you talk about it just a little bit, word or two? So
our
Slovenia
partner,
take in Greece social model and hemp seeds. Is something in this? Story
yes,
true?
we are already in contact with Kannabio, the cooperative, and our partner from Chania received the seeds. It is the Fedora 17 variety, and he has already started harvesting. We were very surprised. The plant had a very quick cycle. Because probably of the weather and the hot climate. And we hope one of the main reasons that I wanted also to visit was because I see Slovenia has quite similar characteristics in how you develop your hemp industry at the cooperative level. That was one of the main reasons that I wanted to be there and get in personal contact with you and Kannabio in order to share experiences. And I really hope that we will find the opportunity soon to be there and meet you in person.
Wonderful. So you have first harvesting in Greece exactly? Is so government allow before work with hemp, or this is first year official that Greece have hemp?
Yes, it is the first year. As you understand, it is like a transitional period, and there is not much experience, not only from the farmers, but also from the state agencies. It is a quite new process for everybody. Everybody is done by the book. Last week we had the official sample specimens from the ministry. They got a quite big sample, to be honest, and we're still waiting for the results. But we had to start preparing we had to pick up some plants because the maturity of the seed was already at a high percentage. So we're still waiting for the results, but we had to start harvesting.
So I'm very happy that we can help you, and we stay here anytime when you will need us. So maybe some problems with first harvesting, government problems with law is missing something. How this looking out?
Yes, so far the legislative framework has been in a quite adequate level. We're just waiting to see some bylaws that have to do with the commercial aspects, and especially everything that has to do with concentrates and CBD concentrates. But we hope that beginning of September, these minor bureaucratic drawbacks will be set aside, and the legislative framework of both the commercial and the cultivating will be harmonized. So October onwards, we feel that everything will be in line.
Wonderful. So what is vision then for next year or next another 5 years? Not only your social cooperative work in government, maybe you are involved alone in government work. You have team.
We are in a constant consultation with the state authorities throughout all these years, because we were the main campaigners behind the hemp legalization. So, especially for the last 3 years, communication and sending of best practices and input was continuous. And we have already established a good collaboration with the state research facility responsible for research on hemp, and will be included in their operational program for next year. And hopefully they will utilize our fields for scientific research on hemp cultivation. Our immediate plans is that we are preparing this small processing facility for oil products and foodstuff. It will be fully operational in January 2017. And at the same time, we have publicized our plan for this public limited company, which will be a larger project for a larger processing facility that needs the participation of a lot of people, so it is a longer term process. We are building our business plan at a 10-year long planning, and we have considerations for 5 and 3 years, but the longer term is a 10-year plan. 10-year plan.
So, MICHALIS, I repeat right your name, MICHALIS.
MICHALIS, yes.
MICHALIS. Yeah, thank you very much for your great work and for your wonderful words today, and that you share with us your knowledge and your work, and stay strong in Greece and stay strong with your team, and I hope we will see next year us in Slovenia, so that you will be live with us and successful work and project work.
Thanks a lot for the invitation and for the nice words, and for sure we're going to be there in person next year, but we'll be in contact throughout the year, and we hope for an exchange of experiences and best practices.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye, Greece. We fly again in another country. Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye.